Now let's look at network attached storage, or NAS. The system ships with a 1 terabyte solid state drive, or SSD, that can be partitioned into virtual drives for each group. All users in the group can access all files on their virtual drive, creating a convenient means to share data. Furthermore, each virtual drive can be backed up, both locally and off-site, as well as archived for long-term data retention, according to a policy appropriate for the corresponding group. Thus, the organization benefits from a more convenient data sharing method as well as strong data security. When we select the drive assigned to our group, we can set a few parameters that define the drive structure. Note that the drive is very simple to configure, and it advertises its presence in the network using the SMB protocol, so there is minimum setup required, and the most common operating systems are supported, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. So now that we have the storage defined, let's look at the backup and archive configuration. Backup is not enabled by default because it consumes space both in the local drive and in the cloud. We decide to enable all three types of backup and specify the frequency of backups as well as the maximum time that each backup image is held. The local backup provides the fastest recovery and works at both the file and drive levels to protect against accidental file modification or deletion and ransomware. The cloud backup works at both the file and drive levels as well. It takes a bit more time to recover a file from the cloud, but the offsite storage extends the data protection period and protects against on-site disasters. The archive only works at the drive level. It takes the most time to recover and is typically used to meet long-term data retention needs for professional services firms such as attorneys and accountants.